welcome back to another video. I'm here with my little sister and my little brother. Today we're playing some Roblox Granny, and if you don't know what Granny is, it's where you basically have to escape house, and if she sees you, she'll chase you and hit you in the back. So our little brother is a granny, and he's trying to look for us so he can hit us with a bat, which I'm not happy about. I don't want to be hit in the head with a bat. But guys, that is just how the game works. So, where are you, Mason?
I'm up here.
Monty, do you think we should go find Mason? I'm gonna go find him, guys.
Okay.
I'm gonna find Mason. Okay, I'm gonna. Okay. I opened the door, guys. It's a little hard for me to open the door on a computer, but I'm. Oh, hi, Mason. I was trying to get that key, but I can't. No, I'm gonna shut the door. If he gets me, I'm gonna cry. I need to get down. I don't know how to get down on here, though. That's the problem. No, I don't know how to on my computer. That's what I mean. Yeah, I don't know how to do it on a computer. Please don't kill me. Please don't kill me.
No, I don't.
Ah, no, he's getting me, Monty. He's gonna get me. Guys, look. He's chasing me. My little... Oh, and guys, we are on a VIP server. We are originally on a VIP server, so yeah. No, Mason, no. You're never gonna get me. I'm gonna shut the door. Ah, I'm stuck. Oh my god. Okay, I need to shut this door. And then I'm gonna... I can't get this key. I can't get this key. Oh well. Okay, I'm gonna... Mason, where are you? Do not kill me, please.
Come to me, I got to go.
Oh, where is it? Okay, mine. I don't know how to get it on a computer. Mason, I see you. How do you duck down on here? That makes it so hard. How do you duck?
Exactly.
Ah, hey, Granny. Hi, Granny. How are you? Monty. Okay, just tell me where you are. I shut the door, Granny. Haha. Oh my, Monty. Okay, I think you can break the wood. So mine, do it. Okay, where are you? Where are you, girl?
That room where I was in.
Me at the front door. Oh, Granny, hi. Get me. Mason, how are you feeling? I don't know. Oh, I see you. Monty. Okay, he's chasing me. Run, Monty, run. Guys, sorry, but Mason. Monty, so loud. Guys, he's weird. Oh my god, this is so scary. Stop. Mason's trying to get me. Monty, are you like watching us? Or did you not die yet?
I went down.
Granny's gonna get me! I'm so scared. Oh my god. I'm gonna close this door and I'm gonna close this. I closed all the doors. You're never gonna get me, Mason. No, I'm opening it for you. I'm gonna shut all the doors. Yeah, guys, so it set the game over for her because she unfortunately died. I don't know how I'm even still alive right now, but I'm just enjoying it.
I know where Mason is.
I see Mason. I want to open the...
I can't tell you where my key is.
He sees me. I'm gonna shut. Mason, come up here.
Oh my god.
Where is he? Guys, this is the scariest thing. Mason's trying to kill me, and I don't know what else to do. Guys, I think Mason's just gonna be Granny the whole time. I don't want to be Granny. I don't like like Granny. I got the drill money. I got it. Okay, so do I break the bricks with it? Okay. Hi, Granny, Granny, I'm right here, Granny. What are you doing? Monty, are you watching me or are you Mason? So guys, if you don't know what our names are, I'm Mikey.
I'm Monty.
And our little brother's name is Mason. Yeah. Mason. So guys, our little brother is currently it right now at this very moment in time. You're never gonna get me, Mason. Mason, why do you keep doing that? That's annoying. Yes, I can finally, I'm gonna shut the door on Mason, guys. So I'm shut it on you. I bet he's gonna get me.
Oh, okay.
I just broke the brick. Hey, Mason right here. Guys, I'm gonna die. I'm in a good hiding spot. That's all I can tell you, Mason. Yes, he got me. Guys, we scream so loud when we die. This is hilarious. So guys, our little brother won this time, but we will win next time. We will win next time. So after next round, Money, how about after next round we win the video? Like after this round. Mason, I know I'm dead, but I don't care. Game over. So we're gonna vote for our little brother to be it again because he wants to be it, right? Hey, I voted Mason. I want to be in this.
Oh my god.
Whoa. Oh, we're in this school. Okay.
Oh, and I can find the door.
Money, hey, you find it. It's okay. We're in the school. Whoa. Bonnie, I don't think you're gonna be it. I think Mason's still gonna be it. If you're it, I'm gonna. No, Mason. You just said that you wanted to be Granny. Why would you vote for her? Mason, I actually know how to use it. You don't. I know how to actually use it, Mason. Monty, you cannot look at his screen, okay? What are you doing? Oh. Okay, guys. Mason, where are you? Guys, as you can see, I'm not Granny, and I never want to be Granny. I don't want to get it. Mason, where are you? Mason, where is I'm right here? Where is I'm right here? What do you? Okay, yeah. So, see. Guys, I'm gonna pause the video until Mason gives me the drum. So I'm gonna pause until Mason gives